Today, you will learn how to adjust kerning in Word document. First, select the text you want to adjust. If you want to compare the result, you can make a copy of the text first. Now go to the Home tab and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Font section, or simply press Ctrl-D on your keyboard. In the Font window, open the Advanced tab. Under Spacing, you can choose Expanded to increase the space between letters or Condensed to reduce the space. Then use the By box to fine-tune the amount until the text looks the way you want, and click OK to apply the changes. If you want Word to automatically improve the spacing between certain letter pairs, stay in the Advanced tab, check Kerning for fonts, then enter the minimum font size you want this feature to apply to, such as 12 points or higher, and click OK. If your document already has text, press Ctrl-A first to select everything before enabling kerning so it applies to the existing text as well. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.